What if I told you, criminals are not the problem, society is? Why does crime rise in some neighborhoods and not others? Why do good people commit bad acts? If crime is about bad people, why do the same crimes keep happening in the same places? Two boys grow up in the same city. One becomes successful. The other becomes a criminal. Same country, same law. So what went wrong? The answer lies in society itself. If you've ever wondered why punishment alone doesn't stop crime, stay with me. This will open your eyes. Hello, Blummies. Welcome to Criminology Unlocked, unveiling the science behind crime, security, and society. Today, we will uncover where crime begins long before the law is broken. I'll show you how society itself creates crime, using the Sociological School of Criminology. By the end of this video, you'll never look at crime the same way again.
This video is strictly for educational purposes and does not promote crime or violence.
The Sociological School of Criminology is a school of thought that explains crime as a social phenomenon. It argues that crime is a product of social interaction, social structure, culture, institutions, environmental conditions, and relationships strongly influence criminal behavior. People become criminals because of the society they live in, not because they are born criminals. Sociological School believes that crime is learned, shaped, and encouraged by society.
The Sociological School came into being during the late 19th and early 20th centuries, primarily in Europe and the United States. This school emerged as a response to earlier theories. Sociologists contended that crime rates vary across different locations and periods. Crime tends to increase in impoverished, urban, and disorganized communities. Social conditions play a significant role in shaping human behavior. Therefore, understanding society is essential to explain crime. Let's talk about the philosophical foundation of the Sociological School of Criminology. The Sociological School is grounded in sociological positivism, which asserts that human behavior is influenced by social forces. Crime can be examined through scientific methods. Social facts exist independently of individuals and have an impact on them. Crime is viewed as normal, learnable, and affected by culture and institutions.
Assumptions of the Sociological School of Criminology. Number 1, crime is a product of society. Number 2, criminal behavior is acquired, not inherited. Number 3, society shapes individual actions. Number 4, crime rates are higher where social control is lacking. Number 5, factors like poverty, inequality, and unemployment contribute to crime. Number 6, crime is a reflection of social failure, not merely individual failure. Number 7, the environment plays a vital role in the development of criminal behavior. Number 8, the environment can promote or prevent crime. Major proponents or founders of the Sociological School of Criminology. Number 1, Emile Durkheim, 1858 to 1917. Introduce anomie theory. Durkheim believed that crime is a normal part of society and something we can expect. He introduced the concept of anomie, which refers to a state of normlessness that often happens during times of rapid social change. When societal rules start to crumble, people can feel lost and may act out in deviant ways. High crime rates can actually indicate a level of social disorganization. Interestingly, crime can serve some positive roles, like helping to reinforce moral boundaries. Number 2, Gabriel Tarde, 1843-1904. Introduce imitation theory. Tarde proposed that crime is something we learn by imitating others.
People tend to mimic the behaviors of those around them. Criminals often imitate friends, family members, and community leaders. In a way, crime spreads just like trends in fashion or culture. Number 3.
Edwin H. Sutherland, 1883-1950, introduced Differential Association Theory. Sutherland argued that crime is learned through our interactions with others. This learning typically happens within close personal groups. Key principles include: people pick up criminal techniques. They learn the motives and justifications behind those actions. Crime occurs when the definitions of criminal behavior outweigh those of non-criminal behavior. Essentially, crime is learned much like we learn a language. Number 4, Robert K. Merton, 1910-2003, introduced Strain theory. This gap creates strain, which can lead to criminal behavior. Crime can be seen as a reaction to blocked opportunities. Number 5. Shaw and McKay, 1920s to 1940s, introduced social disorganization theory. In the 1920s to 1940s, urban spaces like this one began to embrace a blend of modernity and elegance. Family breakdown and weak institutions. Crime is rooted in community failure, not individual pathology. Now that we know the proponents, let's talk about the principles of the Sociological School of Criminology. Number 1, peer groups play a major role. Number 2, culture may encourage or discourage crime. Number 3, crime is learned socially. Number 4, society shapes criminal values. Number 5, institutions in society have a big impact on our behavior. Number 6, weak connections to society can lead to more deviance. Major theories in the Sociological School of Criminology. Number 1, anomie theory. When norms break down, crime occurs. Number 2, strain theory. Social pressures can push individuals toward crime. Number 3, differential association theory. We learn criminal behavior from those around us. Number 4, social disorganization theory. Crime often stems from the conditions in a community. Number 5, subculture theory. Some groups adopt values that accept criminal behavior. Number 6, control theory. Crime tends to happen when social bonds are weak. The view of crime and criminals in the Sociological School of Criminology. Number 1, criminals are shaped by their surroundings. Number 2, crime is a sign of social failure. Number 3, people are not born criminals, but learn criminality. Number 4, society shares responsibility for crime. This video is strictly for educational purposes and does not promote crime or violence. Role of social institutions in the Sociological School of Criminology. Number 1, family. Disrupted homes can lead to more delinquency. Number 2, education. Failing in school can increase the risk of crime. Number 3, religion. Lack of strong moral guidance can lead to deviance. Number 4, media can make violence and crime seem normal. Merit or strength or advantages of the Sociological School of Criminology. Number 1, helps explain crime trends in society. Number 2, aids in creating effective policies. Number 3, focuses on prevention rather than punishment. Number 4, promotes social change. Number 5, supports the idea of rehabilitation. Number 6, helps in crime prevention through social reform. Number 5, demerit or weakness or disadvantages of the Sociological School of Criminology. Number 1, tends to overlook individual accountability. Number 2, doesn't explain every type of crime. Number 3, can generalize too much about social influences. Number 4, measuring social causes can be tricky. Number 5, underestimates individual responsibility and difficult to measure social factors. Criticism of the Sociological School of Criminology. Number 1, overlooks biological influences. Number 2, neglects psychological characteristics. Number 3, treats criminals as mere byproducts of societal conditions. Number 4, doesn't account for crimes committed by those in privileged positions. Sociological contribution to crime prevention. Number 1, fostering community development. Number 2, reforming education systems. Number 3, addressing poverty. Number 4, engaging youth. Number 5, strengthening family units. Number 6, implementing social welfare policies. Modern relevance of the Sociological School of Criminology. The Sociological School is still incredibly relevant today. Number 1, sheds light on urban crime. Number 2, explores youth gang dynamics. Number 3, investigates cybercrime communities. Number 4, analyzes radicalization processes. Number 5, examines organized crime networks. Comparison of Sociological School of Criminology with other schools.
Psychological school focus on mental processes, and sociological school focus on society and environment.
Classical School of Criminology focus on free will. Biological School of Criminology focus on physical traits. In summary, the Sociological School of Criminology posits that crime stems from social conditions like poverty, inequality, peer pressure, and weak institutions. Criminal behavior is learned and influenced by societal factors. Crime doesn't start in the courtroom. It starts in homes, schools, streets, and communities. Until society changes, crime will keep repeating itself. This is the Sociological School of Criminology, and this is why understanding society matters. Crime isn't about bad people. it's about bad conditions. This video is strictly for educational purposes and does not promote crime or violence. Thank you for watching Criminology Unlocked. Guess the next lesson in the comment section. Remember, knowledge is your greatest security, and understanding your environment is very important. Like, subscribe, comment, and share our channel. See you soon.